We've been having 2 days meeting with doctors from Moi teaching and referral hospitals, the doctors working in Moi universities, the doctors from Uasin Gishu counties, and doctors from Elgeyo Marakwet. We were discussing the issues that are affecting these doctors. And then we realized that Uasin Gishu counties has totally contravened the collective bargaining agreement that we signed with them, to the point that we have many of the consultants highly frustrated. These are consultants who have worked in this county for more than 7 years, some more than 10 years, and yet the paid salaries as interns. They have not at any point smelled or seen any promotions. We have also seen situations whereby there is a big shortage of doctors in this particular county, to the point that the facilities, the residents are actually struggling. They all have to run to MTRH to seek care. So we are demanding for employment of doctors. We have also seen a situation whereby there is arbitrarily stoppage of salaries for the doctors working in these particular counties and non-remittance of the statutory deductions. We know that there are 73 institutions, the civil servants and the counties where these particular who are benefiting from this comprehensive cover. We are therefore demanding that as healthcare workers, we are seeing a situation where doctors will not be able to afford the services that they are giving. So now it's upon the government, because the act is for the government, that we get a comprehensive medical cover. And this is not a favor we are asking for. This we are demanding because we relinquished our medical allowance of 5,000 per month, and we will be paying almost 17,000 per month. So every doctor will be paying 200,000 per year. It is immoral for these doctors to be asked again to get a different private insurance by themselves. It is immoral again to ask these doctors again to actually go look for their employer somewhere to get this the medical insurance. And it is disheartening for the doctors to go to the hospitals and start asking for contribution. So we are demanding for a comprehensive medical cover that is commensurate to actually the one we're getting in NHIF or better. The other thing that we've discussed into details is the matter of the e-teams and the KRA, where we have realized that the e-teams, yes, it is for accountability for KRA, but then it may not be applied across board. We have a situation where doctors have to rely on insurance companies before they get paid the invoices that they raise. So if these invoices are uploaded into the e-teams, it means the doctors will be robbed their money, while the insurance will save the money for 3 years, 4 years. Even some facilities are even closed down without paying these particular monies. And therefore, we are demanding that KRA to look into this matter differently, to treat the doctors' aspect of this differently. Otherwise, all the doctors will resort to cash payments.